Alright, I'm on the river here in town today. It's fucking muggy, dude. Air's thicker than shit. I don't know how long I'm gonna last, but we're gonna hit it for a while. Look at this bay. Duckweed galore. Let me get out here and get moving, get cooled off. Oh man, the amount of duckweed and grass on this river anymore. 20 years ago, you couldn't find no grass in this part of the river. This is unreal. Your fucking host. Alright, there's this decent smallmouth, but he ain't big enough to keep. No tag in him. Yeah, a little largemouth. He ain't big, but he ain't small either. He ain't big enough to take in. Hold still. Alright, here's a decent smallie, but I already looked at the big board, and he ain't nowhere near big enough, so. But he's a fat bastard. Look at that. Fat bastard smallie. It's 200 jig, largemouth and a smallmouth, so. I don't know. I'm getting at least. Quality's down today, but or the quantity's down today. Quality's a little better so far. So I'll keep going. Another little smallie. I fucking no tag in it. He took off swimming with it. Oh, keep at it. It wasn't big either. Yeah, another pound quarter smallmouth. I'm in 10. Well, another struggle so far today. catching better quality today, but still not good enough to take in the weigh-in for the Derby. But not as many, but quality's better. So keep hitting this laydowns and shit. That's where it seems to be coming from. Huh? Fucking.
We caught a bunch of fish.
8 to 10 inchers, yeah, I caught it.
We had, I bet you 11 pounds.
Yeah.
That's nice. This was 2 3/4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That worked for everyone.
Yeah. I can't take no more. I'm going in. It's fucking so damn muggy. Well, I caught less fish today, but the quality was better. Still wasn't good enough to go weigh something in for the big board though. So, and I didn't see any tag fish today either. I got storm alerts going off on my fucking watch and everything else. So I'm gonna head in for the day. I don't know if I'll come back out here tomorrow or not. I ain't seeing much that's impressing me too much. I love coming out, but I'm fucking tired. Today I'm going in.